carbon monoxide leak in Anderson County left 9 people hospitalized late Friday night. Officials say shortly after 10:30 last night, a 911 call was received reporting a patient in cardiac arrest at a residence in Garnett. First responders arrived to the residence, initiated life-saving resuscitation efforts. The Garnett Fire Department performed a check for carbon monoxide inside the home, and readings revealed a fatal level concentration, prompting crews to evacuate the scene immediately. 3 additional ambulances responded to assist. In total, 8 public safety personnel and 1 private citizen were transported to Anderson County Hospital for medical evaluation due to those expected exposures. As of this afternoon, all individuals transported are in stable condition and undergoing further evaluation.